Someone suggested painting a peacock using blues and greens in the comments on Instagram, and it was too good of an idea not to try. So today, if you're going to create this expressive peacock using water-soluble pastels, this project is a great way to experiment with layering colour, softening pastels with water, and building up those vibrant feather features. You can find everything used in this lesson listed on our website. Start by transferring the outline onto some watercolour paper, or freehand drawing if you prefer. We provide these outlines free on our website for anyone looking to recreate the lesson, and it's a quick and simple way to get your proportions right so you can jump straight into the painting. Now let's start adding some colour. So grab the lemon yellow from the 24-piece tin set and begin with the tail feathers. Dip a hog bristle brush into the water and soften the yellow slightly. Then grab a piece of scrap paper and create a small palette by scribbling the pastel onto it. From there you can lift the colour off with your brush and create a wash to lay across the centre of the piece. If you notice a little extra water sitting on the edge of the page, it's actually a great opportunity to have some fun with it. Use that moisture to flick a few splashes of colour into the background and start building that expressive look. While the page is still wet, add some sky blue onto the centre of each tail feather and soften it again with your brush. If you like this project, we've got loads more on our website. Jump online to check out our Create blog. When you're there, you'll find more lessons, tips, tricks and inspiration. Staying inspired doesn't have to cost a cent. Once that's blended, you can begin building more of the greens through the feathers. Stay inspired and don't miss a video from us. Subscribe and leave a comment below with what you'd like us to create next. We'd love to hear from you. Next up is the beak. Use the peach to block it in, then add titanium white over the top for a highlight. Take a paper blender and smooth those two colours together. After that, go back in with a little water on your brush and soften some of the green areas. Now grab some phthalo blue and add the centre to each of the eye shapes in the tail feathers. Using small strokes, start defining some of the feathers around the edge of the head. Add a little azure into the feathers around the eye area. Then move down to the chest of the peacock and layer in some green, followed by sky blue. Have you created one of our projects? Make sure you send us a photo. We love seeing your creations. You can also add titanium white to lighten some of the feathers and build dimension. Dip your brush in water again and soften the edge at the bottom of the piece, along with the parts of the neck and chest. Don't worry about losing a little detail here. Once the page dries, you can come back in and add more texture over the top. One really handy trick when working with oil pastels, due to them being thick, this means you can take a tool, like a clay tool, and gently scrape away any colour you want to remove. Then you can go back in with a fresh colour, like we've done with the eye here. For the eyes, start with burnt umber. Add black for the pupil, then lightly smudge in some white pastel to create a highlight. Finally, go back in with black again to add that winged eyeliner look that peacocks naturally have. At this point, you might notice something missing. I realised I completely forgot about the head feathers, so grab a bit of sky blue and phthalo blue and add those in now. After that, add some orange into the tail feathers to introduce a little bit more depth and continue building detail with the greens. Say goodbye to art block and hello to creative connection. We're always thinking of new ways to keep you inspired, so subscribe to get project ideas, lessons, inspo and more sent directly to your inbox. Well, I'm really happy with how this has come together. So to finish things off, just add a few final white highlights and voila! Well, thanks for creating with me today. If you'd like to try this project yourself, you can find the full materials list and downloadable outline on our website. And if you give it a go, make sure you share your peacock with us on socials. We love to see how yours turned out.